Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Medicare OTC card on Amazon, online shopping guide step by step clearly. To begin using your Medicare OTC card on Amazon, ensure you have your OTC card details ready. Log into your Amazon account or create a new account if you do not have one. Browse the Amazon website or app for eligible OTC products. Use the search bar to find specific items, or navigate through categories. When you find a product that you wish to purchase, click on it for more details. Check if the product qualifies for purchase with your Medicare OTC card. Add the eligible items to your shopping cart. Once you have finished shopping, proceed to your cart. Review your selected items to ensure they meet the eligibility criteria. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button. On the payment page, select the option to use a gift card or promotional code. Enter the OTC card information in the required field. Make sure you have sufficient balance on your OTC card for the transaction. Select a shipping method that suits your preferences. Review your order one last time to confirm all details are correct. Finally, click on the Place Your Order button to complete your purchase. You will receive an email confirmation once your order is placed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.